Today I have something I'm really excited to dive into. If you're a movie lover, gamer, or just someone looking to elevate your home theater, then you're in for a treat. We're going to be taking a deep dive into the JMGO N1S 4K, a portable projector that's packed with incredible features, especially for under $1,000. Whether you want to enjoy some movies in your living room or theater room, use it as a secondary screen in a gaming room, or even take it outdoors for neighborhood movie night, the JMGO N1S is here to deliver. But is it the right choice for you? Let's find out. Alright, so let's start with the unboxing. The JMGO N1S 4K comes with a very nice and well-protected carrying case. As someone who has multiple projectors and moves them from room to room and even storage, you can't discount how nice it is to carry all of this around with the peace of mind that it's secure. Now inside the case, we have the projector itself, the remote control that's fairly basic but very usable, the AC adapter or power cord, and a quick start guide. As you can see here, the projector has a very clean and modern look with that iconic gimbal stand design. It's compact and lightweight and comes in at just under 4.5 pounds, which is perfect for taking it anywhere you want to go. I'm very impressed with how modern and minimalistic the design is on the JMGO N1S 4K. I love the flexibility it offers with the gimbal that lets you adjust the projector's angle very easily, making it ideal for quick setups whether you're at home or outdoors. On the back of the N1S 4K, you have two ports here. You have an HDMI 2.1 port, that's the ARC eARC port, and then you also have a USB-A port, which is great for powering any connected devices if you need that. I'm also a big fan of the location of both the power button in the middle on the bottom of the gimbal stand and also how you connect the power to the N1S 4K. It's great to have that power connection at the base of the gimbal as opposed to up on the unit itself, making it much more convenient when you're turning it left or right or pointing it up or down. And as I said, the remote is pretty basic and straightforward, but still very functional, including a Google Voice Assistant button as well as some shortcut buttons to YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video, and to select different inputs. My only gripe about the remote is that I wish it was backlit because, again, you're going to be using projectors in a dark room for the most part, but at this price point, you typically don't see that. But it does have HDMI CEC, so whatever's connected to your HDMI input can be controlled by this remote. So if you have a soundbar, it will control the volume, or if you have a third-party operating system, can control that as well. But you don't really have to worry about getting a third-party operating system because the N1S 4K has the Google TV operating system already integrated. So you don't need any extra streaming devices because Google TV has licensed Netflix, YouTube, and all your favorite streaming platforms. I also like that Google TV offers recommendations based on your viewing preferences and the ability to continue watching where you left off. So if you have Google TV operating system in a different room and you're watching a program and come in here with the N1S 4K, it knows right where you left off on previous programs and you can just hit it and continue watching. In fact, when I was setting the N1S 4K up, we logged into the Max app in like 10 seconds so we could stream the new season of The Last of Us. That looks amazing, by the way, but at the same time, you really can take for granted how a great operating system impacts the ease of use on a product like the N1S 4K. And while we're watching this, let's talk about picture quality. The N1S 4K looks fantastic with this content on it. I have literally just watched this episode out in my living room last night on a 132-inch screen with a projector that costs more than 3 times the cost of this N1S 4K. And in this room right here in the dark, it looks fantastic. Really nice brightness, great contrast, and honestly, from this distance, it looks as good as it did out in the living room last night. And this is on a 120-inch screen, which is just really difficult to get that size and scale if you're talking about a TV, especially at this price point. There's just no way you're getting 120-inch size. And besides the size being much larger, with the projector, you don't have to worry about the downsides of some of the LED TVs like blooming or uniformity issues that happen with a lot of the TVs on the market. And so in this darker environment, this looks absolutely fantastic. Now with the lights on, it's a bit of a different story. Obviously, it's not going to look quite as good as a really bright TV in a bright room with windows everywhere. So if that's your use case, this might not be the exact product you want to have there, but I think it looks pretty good, to be honest. I could watch this for regular viewing all day long, but really it's going to look its best in a darker room. And if you like 3D, the N1S 4K has you covered. That's one of the main complaints we get in the comments about TVs. People are mad that they don't make TVs with 3D any longer. So if you're a fan of 3D and you want to get something that's far less expensive than a flagship TV in a dark room in most situations, this is going to be absolutely fantastic. And it looks really good, to be honest. Now that we've checked out some content, let's talk about why it looks so good. And this is a little bit technical, but I think it's worth it. The N1S 4K is powered by JMGO's MALC triple laser optics. That's right, triple laser in a projector under $1,000. For the N1S 4K, JMGO worked in collaboration with Nishia to develop the MUMB12T laser, an industry-leading 9-chip laser, which is the first of its kind to successfully integrate multiple RGB laser light sources into one. Compared to existing lasers, this new system offers 10 to 15% higher optical efficiency in a 40% smaller package size with 10% better heat dissipation performance at a 30% lower cost. This gives you vibrant, true-to-life colors and exceptional brightness with this triple laser technology. Combining that with the 4K UHD resolution ensures that every detail pops, providing an immersive visual experience that's second to none. And for those of you who are concerned about laser speckle, there's no need to worry with the N1S 4K. The MALC laser engine also utilizes an innovative LSR module to reduce speckles caused by beam interference, which is a common issue facing triple laser projectors. The module is designed to adjust a passing laser beam with adaptive amplitude and frequency through a diffuser that vibrates at high speed along the XY axis. This process increases randomness and suppresses interference, leading to a 97% reduction rate of laser speckles. So enough technical jargon for now. I know you guys want to see some more content, and one of the use cases is gaming. So we're out in the gaming room area here where we have a 75-inch TV set up, but you can see how much bigger the 120-inch floor rising screen can get when you have a product like the N1S 4K. And gaming at 120 inches is awesome. It's so immersive, and you can actually get 4K 60 frames per second, or you can get 1080 at 120 frames per second. Both options awesome, but I really like getting that 4K HDR picture quality. And the game performance is fantastic. It's very responsive and so immersive. But if you want to get lower input lag, there are actually two options. One is the low latency mode, but then you lose the motion interpolation. That's not a huge deal, but if you go into the ultra low latency, then you're losing that motion interpolation and the keystoning ability. So you'll lose that formatting on the nice square image on the wall. But I don't mind using it out of that ultra low latency mode because I really like the keystoning ability of the projector. The ability to like turn it from one wall to another and it just snaps into place, auto focuses, and gives you that giant immersive gaming experience is much more beneficial than just the speed of the game to me. A couple of other features that come in handy that we haven't talked about yet are things like Bluetooth 5.1 and Wi-Fi 6, both that the N1S 4K have. It also has two 5-watt speakers, of course, that sound pretty nice, with bass as low as 55 Hertz, and it has Dolby Audio and DTS decoding. And at the same time, the N1S 4K is extremely quiet when in use at under 26 decibel. Now, the only feature that I really wish it had was another HDMI input, but if you think about that, that would really only be if you wanted to connect a soundbar and a gaming console at the same time. But the N1S 4K does have the Bluetooth for audio, or you can just pass through the gaming console into a soundbar because most soundbars have inputs and outputs. So really, with the projector at this price point with all these features, a second HDMI really isn't that important. And lastly, I want to reiterate how portable this projector is. The N1S 4K is extremely light at under 4.5 pounds, and with the base that sort of acts as a handle, it's just very easy to pick it up and move it around. In addition, on the bottom, it does have that 1/4-inch thread, so you can just pop it onto any light stand and move it around, which is what we do when we take it outdoors. We get the fire going outside, pop up that 120-inch floor rising screen for movie night. It makes for a great environment, and the N1S 4K is a perfect projector for that sort of use case. So overall, I'm really impressed by the JMGO N1S 4K. The triple laser technology really sets this apart from the competition when it comes to color accuracy and brightness, while also providing the convenience of having the Google TV operating system built right in. And I've had the N1 Ultra and N1S Pro, and now this N1S 4K. It's hard to believe you can get this brightness and contrast and sound quality on a 4K triple laser projector at this price point, which is under $1,000. So I would say the JMGO N1S 4K is definitely worth considering. And for a limited time, you can actually save an extra $100 by using the code on the screen and in the description, which puts the 4K portable unit at $899. So if you're interested in grabbing one of these for yourself, you can find the links in the description below. And let me know if you guys have any questions or comments about this. Is the N1S 4K going to be the unit for you, or do you have something else in mind? And make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Really appreciate you guys watching the video, and we'll see you on the next one.